open natin, dalawang na siya.
Dalawa yung laman. Ay, di ko alam kung ilan yung laman na ito. Baka isa. Or kaya dalawa.
Okay.
Ako gumawa na ito. Wait! Wait lang. Open natin. Wait lang. Papahawak ko ito sa pinsan ko. Dora. Baka matawa kaya. Dora talaga siya. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. This is a candy. Okay. There's no biscuit area because this is candy biscuit. And I'm gonna post with my medal. My award then. We're gonna arrive tomorrow. Wait. Is this okay? Oh, okay. It's 2. Okay. First we have green grape.
Yum.
Green grape and flower rose.
Yan.
I want flower rose and
Green grapes.
flower rose.
Yeah. Kain na namin.
Okay, here. This is green with white. I'm pink with white. Okay, gonna eat this.
Yummy, guys.
Look at this.
Look at this.
We're gonna all eat this. Look, open your mouth. Okay, this is mine.
And go. Ano siya? Stop.
Meron daw siya